This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Melton, Victoria 3337, and we got a container unit or an outdoor unit, which is a container. It's a drive-up unit. Park your car just here or where the white car is, okay? And I'm going to show you what is inside the container. Okay. Standing fan. This is the unit. A dining table here. There's two mattresses here. I think the bed frame is here and at the back. And we got two 50-inch TV. One is a TCL brand, and the other one is a plasma Samsung. Have a look at the picture, the photo. Nothing is tested, and once sold, everything to be removed. There's no warranty or guarantee. It's a Samsung top loader washing machine, and this will be a fridge. It appears to be could be a single door fridge. Okay, two bedside table. There is a TV cabinet there. Okay, and all these are cutlery. Yeah. And there's three boxes there. There's two speakers here, and the brand is called Mintai. Toshiba DVD player. Once again, this is in Melton, Victoria 3337. Once sold, everything to be removed. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, all the contents inside the unit will refund you back the deposit. Again, this is an outdoor unit. It's a drive-up unit. Thank you for watching.